Welcome to the future of work, where AI takes center stage and opens up a world of possibilities for freelancers like you. Then you're in for a treat. In today's video, we're going to reveal the top 5 high-paying freelance careers that will put your AI skills to the test and help you make a mark in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Let's get started. IML engineer. In today's digital age, businesses across various industries are increasingly turning to AI and machine learning to automate processes, enhance efficiency, and gain a competitive edge. As a result, the demand for skilled freelance AI/ML engineers is on the rise. These professionals harness the power of AI and machine learning to design, develop, and deploy AI-powered solutions that tackle complex challenges and enable businesses to thrive. Responsibilities and skills. As an AI/ML engineer, your primary responsibilities will include identifying business problems that can be addressed with AI and machine learning technologies, developing and implementing AI/ML models and algorithms to solve these problems, optimizing models for performance and scalability, integrating AI/ML solutions with existing systems and ensuring seamless deployment, continuously monitoring and evaluating the performance of AI/ML models and fine-tuning them to maintain their effectiveness. To excel as an AI/ML engineer, you'll need a strong foundation in computer science, programming languages such as Python or Java, and data science. Familiarity with machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch, and cloud platforms such as AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure. How to get started. To kickstart your career as a freelance AI/ML engineer, follow these steps. Acquire the necessary technical skills by pursuing relevant courses, certifications, or degrees in AI, machine learning, computer science, or related fields. Develop a portfolio that showcases your AI/ML projects and demonstrates your expertise in the domain. Network with other professionals in the AI/ML community by attending events, conferences, and workshops, and joining online forums or groups. Seek out freelance job opportunities on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or TopTal, and apply to AI/ML engineer positions that align with your skills and interests. Continuously update your skills and stay abreast of the latest advancements in AI and machine learning to remain competitive in the market. By honing your skills as an AI/ML engineer and taking advantage of the increasing demand for AI-powered solutions, you can secure a lucrative freelance career and make a meaningful impact across various industries. AI-powered chatbot developer. In recent years, AI-powered chatbots have emerged as a game changer for businesses seeking to streamline their customer service and engagement strategies. These advanced chatbots go beyond basic scripted responses, leveraging natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning to understand user intent and deliver personalized, context-aware interactions. As an AI-powered chatbot developer, you'll have the opportunity to create cutting-edge virtual assistants that not only improve the customer experience, but also boost sales and brand loyalty. To excel in this lucrative field, you'll need to hone your skills in NLP, programming languages such as Python, and chatbot development platforms like Dialogflow or Raza. By staying up to date with the latest advancements in AI and chatbot technology, you'll be well equipped to design and develop intelligent, responsive chatbots that cater to the unique needs of businesses across various industries. As the demand for AI-powered chatbot solutions continues to surge, mastering these skills will position you at the forefront of this rapidly growing market and pave the way for a thriving freelance career in chatbot development. AI-driven data analyst. As an AI-driven data analyst, your primary role is to harness the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning to transform raw data into actionable insights. This exciting career path requires a blend of technical skills and domain knowledge, as you'll be responsible for cleaning, analyzing, and interpreting complex data sets. Your expertise will enable businesses to make informed decisions based on data-driven insights, ultimately providing them with a competitive edge in the market. To excel in this field, you'll need to be proficient in various programming languages such as Python or R, be well-versed in data visualization tools, and possess a deep understanding of machine learning algorithms and their applications. One of the key aspects of being an AI-driven data analyst is the ability to create and deploy machine learning models that can detect trends, patterns, and anomalies within massive data sets. By leveraging AI techniques, you'll be able to process and analyze data at a scale and speed that traditional methods cannot match. This will enable you to provide businesses with real-time insights and predictive analytics, empowering them to make proactive decisions and optimize their operations. As an AI-driven data analyst, you'll have the opportunity to work across a wide range of industries, from finance and healthcare to marketing and logistics, making this an incredibly versatile and high-paying freelance career choice. AI Content Writer Editor. As we enter 2023, AI-powered content generation tools such as GPT-4 have dramatically transformed the content creation landscape. These advanced technologies enable the generation of high-quality, engaging, and targeted content with improved efficiency, making it a game-changer for businesses and content creators alike. In this flourishing domain, AI content writers and editors play a crucial role by leveraging their creative writing skills and expertise in AI tools to produce content that resonates with diverse audiences across multiple niches. By staying up to date with the latest AI writing tools and learning how to harness their potential, freelance content creators can deliver results that surpass traditional writing methods, making them highly sought after by clients. An AI content writer editor's primary responsibility is to guide and refine the AI-generated content, ensuring it aligns with the client's requirements, tone, and brand voice. This often involves curating a mix of human ingenuity and AI capabilities to produce content that is not only optimized for search engines, but also captivates readers. In order to mastering AI tools, content creators in this field must possess strong research and storytelling skills, as well as a keen understanding of their target audience's preferences and pain points. By combining these elements, AI content writers and editors can unlock lucrative opportunities in the digital world, helping businesses grow while securing a steady income stream for themselves. I-focused UX/UI designer, user experience, UX, and user interface, UI, design are crucial to the success of AI-driven applications. Learn how to create user-centric, intuitive, and engaging interfaces for AI-based products and services, ensuring a seamless experience for end users. We put a lot of time and effort into creating these videos, and your support through likes and subscriptions means the world to us. Thank you.